All right, let's get this Tuesday started. Hope everybody's doing well. Off to a pretty quiet morning. Futures have been relatively flat in the early morning trade. Much the same yesterday. We're going to see a continuation of this lack of activity, or at least a lack of direction, until we get the big inflation data out Thursday when we have that consumer price index report. We talked about that yesterday. So that's the big event for the week. Again, going to be a very quiet session, most likely, unless we get some sort of other catalyst comes out leading up into that. Now, yesterday where you did see some activity was more or less in some of the individual stocks, names like Peloton, with the news coming out that there were potential suitors. Again, potential. Stock was up greater than 20%. Peloton having earnings today after the close. We'll see what shakes out there. But again, so we do have some earnings leading into that Thursday report. Now, that being said, you look at some of these other markets. Where do we have movement right now? Certainly in the 10-year treasury, right? 10-year up north of 1.9%, highest levels we've seen in a very long time. So again, interest rates continue to inch their way higher as the expectation is now fairly certain that the Fed's going to start raising interest rates here soon. Likewise, you're seeing that dollar strength on the back of that news as well over the past couple trading sessions. So another day, folks. Again, maybe quiet leading into that number on Thursday. Let's get ready. Now's the opportunity. If you do have some free time, go over to the Education Center at Nadex.com. Check out some of our educational videos. Let's get ready for some more volatility in the latter part of the week. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.